Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. And this video is very short, and this is about gingerbread men. I got these gingerbread men cutouts from Woodpecker's Crafts. I did an unboxing a few weeks ago. I'll link that in the description box below. Now you may be wondering, why are they already done? Well, I did the little boy. I'm gonna call him the little boy. He has on short pants. I did that on a live with Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. I will link that video above. And the other two I started, but because it was time consuming, I just set them aside. Now I decided to finish them for this video. Now I took a sheet of napkin and I folded it in the middle, and I'm just creasing where I need to cut. And when you fold it in the middle, you're just doing the other side as well. And giving it the fold in the middle also allows you to center it proportionately. So after I did that, I took the scissors and I'm cutting out. Now you don't have to cut directly on the line. You can leave a little off, because that you can file off at the end. And I was gonna cut from the same napkin for both, but then one of them spoiled, so I had to choose a different napkin. So here I'm just placing one of them, and as you can see, the bottom of the onesie, let's call it onesie because that's what it is. The bottom of that one was a little bit too short, so I had to improvise. And guys, don't make mistakes. You see me going ahead and doing what I'm doing with the second layer of the napkin still on. I didn't realize that I didn't take it off. But I set that aside, and now I'm doing the other one. I'm just Mod Podging where I need to place the napkin, and then I use the heat gun to dry that a little bit. And then I place the napkin on. And as you've already seen, for those of you who have been following my videos, that I have been using my little mini heat press to reactivate the Mod Podge underneath, and that holds it on so securely. And for these, I didn't put on an overlayer of Mod Podge on, because the napkins are very thin, and if I added more Mod Podge afterwards, then it would have started to bubble, and I didn't want that. So then I took the emery board and I filed off the excess from both. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all, so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. And here they are, all filed and ready to be embellished. Now for that one that had the little space on the legs, I took a white paint pen from Dollar Tree, and I'm just giving a little design here. And then for the sleeves, I fill that in as well with a white paint pen or marker. And then I outlined the neckline, and they're just looking so cute already. Oh, I love them. And then I had a little piece of ribbon from Dollar Tree. This is all I had left from this ribbon, and I'm giving them waistbands. I didn't go all the way around. I just glued one end down and then just wrapped the other one around and glued that down as well. If you like what you're seeing today, please go ahead and hit that like button as well, because that certainly helps my channel to grow and for YouTube to suggest my videos to other viewers like yourself. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think about my gingerbread family in the comments down below. And be sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you like budget-friendly content like this, I suggest this video right here, this playlist. And stay safe until my next video. Bye!